Welcome to Leash Updates once again. In today's video tutorial, I am going to be showing you how you can earn 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira on a daily basis with just your WhatsApp and your internet connection. Do well to stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video, because I'll be revealing a secret in which you can use to earn 20,000 naira every day on a daily basis with this bot. So let's dive into today's video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Do well to go there, click the link, it will take you to this interface as it is right here. Once you get to this interface, you click on register. Click on your country, select Nigeria, input your email address, click on get code to get the code, but before that, input your password first. Something to remember, let's use numbers. Now click on get code. Now you have to wait for the notification. Yes, that's the code. Code is 134293. 134293. Now I will be leaving my referral ID. Once you're registering, input my referral ID and get 500 naira bonus after registering. After registering, you'll be brought to this interface, which is your dashboard. Now let me show you how you can connect your WhatsApp and start earning. Click on state, this icon below. Now click on add WhatsApp. Click on add WhatsApp. How to verify. Wait for it to load. Now click on this box to verify. Okay, click on next. Click on use phone number. Your country code. Now input your WhatsApp number here. Before requesting to get this code, ensure your WhatsApp account is logged in on your device. If you have two WhatsApp accounts on your phone, make sure you switch the account to this account you want to get the code, so that you will be able to get the code and connect this WhatsApp easily. So let's continue. Click on get. That's the code. Copy this code. Now click on this message I just entered now. Click on it to link your device. To take it to WhatsApp, click on confirm. Use mobile data. Fingerprint. Now paste the code copy. Paste it here. After pasting, wait for it to log in. It's connecting. Yes, your WhatsApp account has been connected to the bot. Now head back to the site to show automatically that it has been connected. So this is it here. I already connected my first account. So this is it here. This is the second account I just connected. I believe you are enjoying this video. All you can do for me right now is hit that like button, Click on the subscribe button so that each time I drop amazing videos like this on how you can earn money from your phone with just your internet connection, YouTube is gonna send you a notification and you'll be the first person to watch that video. Let's continue. Now to the secret I told you guys I will be revealing to you how you can earn 20,000 naira every day with this bot. You can earn 20,000 naira a day connecting multiple WhatsApp accounts to this bot. I made a video tutorial showing you how you can loot WhatsApp creating multiple WhatsApp accounts without getting banned on WhatsApp. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Do well to watch it. Now to the second method in which you can use to earn 20,000 naira every day with this bot. That method is by referring friends. Invite friends. As you can see here, invite friends to use Wabot, earn 1,500 naira per person. Now to the withdrawal. How to withdraw from this bot. Click on me. Now click on withdraw. As you can see, I have not reached the withdrawal limit yet. The minimum withdrawal limit is 3,300 naira and the maximum is 20,000 naira. That's why you can see here 20,000 naira. You can withdraw all. That's the maximum. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been of help to you. Do well to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. That each time I drop amazing videos like this, like I said, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.